Alright guys, so this video is going to be about my contact lenses that I'm wearing. They're actually from Iris Beauty. I got two of them from Iris Beauty. I got a brown and I also got this gray. Now this gray has been doing it for me. I absolutely love it, and I will say hands down these Iris Beauty contacts are the most comfortable contact lens I have ever worn since I've been reviewing contact lenses. I've done Pinky Paradise, Dahab lens. Those are the only two ones that's coming to me, but I've done those, but these are by far the most comfortable ones I've ever worn. The one in my right eye right now is actually torn at the edge and I'm not even feeling it. When I just put it in, I feel it initially, but then after like a couple minutes, it's like it's not even in my eyes. I've fallen asleep with these in my eyes because of how comfortable they are. Now that is a good thing and also a bad thing, because you know, safety first, honey, safety first. But then when I woke up, my eyes full up on matter. But these are so comfortable, and the contact lens solution that I'm using with them is called Renew. Now I don't know if it's the lens, the contact lens solution or what, but these are hella comfortable, and I'm showing you the contact lens solution that I use because maybe that will do something, maybe it won't, I don't know, but it is it for me. Now this video will not be long, mainly because my battery is dying, but secondly, I have nothing bad to say about these contact lenses. Iris Beauty, I believe, is a British brand, and they sell more than just makeup. I mean, not makeup, they sell more than just contact lenses. They do sell makeup as well, and I got two other things from them. I got a liner, a liquid liner, a liquid pen liner. I don't have it with me, God, I left it. But that liquid pen liner, I love it. I love liquid pen liners. The pen liners just works for me. It's easy to travel with. It won't come on, it won't come loose and pour out in a travel bag. You just pop it on, you're good to go. And I've had it for a while and it has not dried up on me as yet, you know, because it will dry up if you leave it open, but I have not been leaving it open. I love these lenses. They just do a lot for your makeup look. It makes the eye makeup pop. It just ties everything together, so I absolutely love it. Would hands down recommend, and I'm saying this now, I'm saying this today, these are the most comfortable contact lenses I've ever worn in my career as a YouTuber. So comfortable. Pinky Paradise, Dahab lens, and there's I think two more, but I can't remember the names. I love them. I've been contacted by other contact lens companies after Iris Beauty, and I was like, no, I'm good. I am good. These are comfortable. I don't feel like there's anything in my eyes, you guys. And I feel like the Renew contact lens solution is working as well, because it just feels so comfortable. If you guys have any ideas or any more contact lens solution that you think I should try, let me know in the description bar below. But for now, for this 3-minute video, it's all about Iris Beauty. Yeah, there we go. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it, and it's good. And I'm out. Please go ahead and check out Iris Beauty in the description bar below. I have everything linked for them and their Instagram as well. Yeah, shout out to you, Iris Beauty. Thank you so much for sending me this to review. That's gorgeous, auntie. Gorgeous, honey. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
I've been grinding all day and all night. Hall of Fame on my mind, trying to be the greatest of all time and say it's all God. Yeah. I've been grinding all day.